Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. This here is the JMBricklayer 3-in-1 medieval weapon set. I liked the look of this. I thought this is really different. So 568 pieces, and like I said, it's a 3-in-1. So you get to build these 3 models out of the one set, which I find is pretty good value for money. So it is $40 US and $60 Australian, but you get free shipping with this, which is really good, I think. All right, let's open it up and let's see what we get here. So it looks like we get numbered bags. What have we got? Oh, these big wheels. These look really good. Yeah, I like the look of these. What else is here? I'll just see how many bags we get in this set, just to get an idea. There's a number 6, 7. Okay, so 7 numbered bags, and then we get this bag full of lucky bands and this contraption. Oh, brick separator. That looks different. And these lucky bands. So they're for the build. Okay, and the instructions, so they're wrapped up nicely. Let's see what these instructions look like, if it's easy to build. This is a very technic build, so a little bit different to what I'm used to, but they look pretty easy to follow. Looks like there's lots of pins, lots of concentration involved here. Okay. Oh, and we get to build a target as well. Oh, this looks like fun. So this design of this set is unique to this JMBricklayer company. So I've got my suit and armor. Let's get ready to build. We are going to start with the catapult. Looks pretty cool. And we're going to open up the first bag. So while I started building, you have to open all the bags, the 7 bags, which I find really annoying because there's so many bricks everywhere. I don't know why they numbered the bags, but anyway, the quality of the parts is very good. So they use Go Bricks, which is a very good brand of brick. And I have to say, it does compare with the other big brand, so I'll be happy to build this. This being a technic build, there are a lot of different parts that I'm not used to, and lots of pins. So you really need to look at the instructions and make sure you use the correct pin and put everything in the correct hole, really. Otherwise it won't line up and it won't work. And it says 8+ on the box. My 8-year-old would be frustrated building this. I think minimum 12+. Great set to build. It's just very technical and lots of real fiddly and moving parts. So I think they've used a really good color palette for this set. Like, it looks true to how it would have been. And the decorations are really nice too. And I did say before that this military design is unique to this company. Oh, and here, you really need to make sure you get the right parts for everything, otherwise it will not work and you'll use the wrong thing. So there's that catapult thing, and now I need to connect the little elastic bands here, and I see I missed the pins there, so I've got to fix that, but very easy to fix. So I've attached it there. I'll just test it out to see if it bounces, and it does, so I'll continue on. So there, the side bits decoration, and I always make sure I test everything before I continue on. Otherwise you'll be pulling apart lots of sections. Oh, there's even going to be some chains there on the side. Oh, that looks really good. I like the colours. And now elastic bands. So I got to test them out to see if they're springy. And now these big wheels go on. And they look really cool. Well, that's moving around, that's good. And now we need these bits. So they're like sickles put on the side of the wheels. So that's what they used to have in the olden days. And here it is. Oh, I can't wait to test this out. There's the little rock thing that's gonna be catapulted. Okay, so you got to pull that lever down there. And you got those two bits there on the side. Hold the wheel and oh my gosh, it does catapult. It actually does what it says. Cool. Now, I'm going to build this target now because we're going to do some target practice. Alright, let's do some target practice. Shield on for safety and let's launch this. Okay, that went flying. That was cool. Let's try it again. I think I could play with this for a long time. Let's aim at that and... oh no, that one didn't work too well. Let's try it again. Cool. I like this, but do you know what? I think I want to have a go. Yep, I'm going to sit in the launch seat. Let's try it out. Oh, is this going to be dangerous? And oh, look. I got to the practice. How funny. Okay, catapult. Thumbs up. Okay, time to build the bombard. So I've had to pull everything apart. And now build this guy. So this one looks quite fun too. So you launch like this big rock from the middle of it. This set is quite technical to build and it surprised me. I really enjoyed building it. It's something different to what I normally build and it's fun. You can play with it. So me and my kids had a great time with all three of these. All three of the builds have the same decoration at the front, which I like. So it continues on that same type of theme with the build. And yep, you got to really make sure you put those pins in the right spot. Make sure to test it out to see, and yep, it's moving. And now we need the elastic bands there. Okay, that's all working good. Now this guy I need to attach here, and it looks like I put that in the wrong way. This is what I mean. You really got to look at how you put it in. But it was easy to fix. Lucky it didn't take too long. So now I've attached everything. This took a little while to... It wasn't very clear on the instructions how to attach that. Just adding the finishing touches with the decoration on this. Oh, there's the wheels, so it's the same design as before with the catapult. And we put more elastics there because it is time to put that big rock in. And you've got to make sure you put it in the right way, otherwise it won't come out. Boom! Look at that! It got me! It shot the target. That's cool. Oh, these are really fun builds. Look at that, it got me again. Last build now, so this is the Ballista. So once again I had to pull everything apart because you got to use the same pieces. And once again I'm telling you to read the instructions. Put all those pins in where they're meant to go because there's all different sized pins, all different types of pins. So don't rush the steps. Building these builds, I can't believe how many different Technic parts there are. I haven't seen so many because I'm not a Technic builder. But I enjoyed building this, so it's something different to build. Okay, I had to move that. Once again, test everything, make sure you use the right axles and things like that. There we go. That looks like a plane. Look at it. Alright, let's attach it to the base. So that's all attached. More decorations here on the side, just to keep in with the same theme. Now this was a nice quick build actually. Didn't take too long. Alright. And these will be the little bits that you use to pull back to shoot the arrow out. Same decorations going on at the front. That's cool. Lots of elastic bands. Made sure they all work. Yep. That's springing back. Same wheels. Oh, look at this. This is so cool. I am going to sit here. I am not going to launch myself out with this. Let's pop that in. Arrows in, and oh my gosh, that gets shot out really fast. Wow. All right, let's test it again, and holy dooly, that is a weapon. No one stand in front of it. Oh, I like this one. I think this is my favorite now. Oh, let's try it again. Oh, let's see. Can I get that target? Oh, wow, that really projects really fast. Look at that. Wow. Okay, I like the look of this one. This one is definitely my favorite now. Hey, come back. All right, my thoughts on this set. I love it. I love that you build 3 different models from the one set. The value for money is awesome. I've actually got some links in the description below if you're interested in purchasing this set. I think it's really great, fun. My girls love it. Something different to the normal builds that I always do. If you love medieval things and castles and that, this set is for you. Or if you just want to play with something different. So, everyone, get your bricks out.